Hey everyone, Hunter, Injected Motorsports. We're working on this 98 GMC K2500 four-wheel drive. I'm going to show you a couple things we're doing on the front end. This will be getting a lift kit later on, but for that now we're just doing the steering. So I'm going to kind of show you a couple things on this in case everybody was wondering on kryptonite and some other parts. All right, as you can see here, we've got just some OEM rotors, and remember these are the press-in style, so you have to buy the rotor and the hub assemblies all in one. These studs here, you have to press them in, hammer them in, however you want to do it. I think Lyle sells those little kits or whatever. Here we just, like I said, nobody really makes these aftermarket big time. We're in talks with Kryptonite, see if maybe later on they might tackle this, but the other ones will not fit this one. The 9906 style, half-ton style, will not fit this one. Ball joints are actually the same, the 6292s, and those can actually be bolted in. You can take those rivet style bolts out. Here this did fit the Kryptonite center link here. It's a very tight fit, but it will fit. We've got the Napa Gold Fleet or whatever chassis, idler support and idler arm over there. We are using the 4-spline pitman arm from Kryptonite. It does fit the factory because it is 4-spline on this one. Later on we are going to put the PSC built gearbox in here. All you have to do is change out the shaft. I think it's a 3/4 inch by 30, can't remember exactly. It's a sleeve, an adapter sleeve, so you can run it on this truck. And now obviously we'll take this pitman arm off and slap it on theirs. That's a popular deal. Like I said, we're not messing with shocks right now since it is getting a lift kit later on, so there's really no point right now. Same with sway bar end links, there's just really no point right now since we're doing that. Pressed in lower ball joints. Again, the Kryptonite will not fit the 6693s. These are a different one. It's a little bit smaller. Just FYI. Brakes, we're reusing the calipers. See how they do. These were stuck open. Obviously, every time you have to grease the caliper pins, and obviously these are probably, I don't know, anywhere from 5 to 15 years old from not ever being greased. I mean, they were stuck in there pretty good, so we re-greased them. Napic ceramic brake pads. I'm gonna give them a shot on this truck. But outside of that, kind of reuse some factory hardware. There. Here's the Kryptonite. The gearbox will be replaced later on. That's pretty much that. We will update more, and we'll get you some more pictures when it drops on the ground. But just some stuff. If you have one of these older GMC or Chevy K2500 four-wheel drives, this is kind of what you're going to be looking at. Rear end's a full floating, so that'll be later. Anyways, see what else we can find.